So I am in the process of pumping out the hydraulic oil that they put in from the factory. It's clear, no kind of color in it whatsoever. Yeah, I don't know exactly what kind that is, but it's not ideal, I can tell you that. There it goes. I got my battery operated pump from Harbor Freight doing the pumping, and the stuff is heavy and it seems like it doesn't really want to pick it up, like talking about it. So I gotta pick it up at the top. It says it pumps oil, but this one is not. So I'm gonna have to get it the old-fashioned way with my little hand pump over there. But I don't know why it's not pumping. This is crazy. I can hear it moving, but I'm picking it up and the oil is falling right out. Oh well, I don't have time to be fooling with this. But I just wanted to show the color of the oil is pretty much clear. So I am going to get this other pump and pump this out, and I'll be back.